So we all want to take a step closer in our friendships to people. We see someone we run across and we say to ourselves, I want to be friends with that person, but we don't know how. And there seems to be something that's hindering us. Why don't friendships move faster, further along? Why is it that there's all of these impediments? What are these blocks? Well, the blocks are easy to move if you have the principles and you know the principles and you apply them. So let me give you a scenario of one time when you were deeply moved and somebody went from a low level in your life to the next level by something they did. Okay, here's the scenario. You've met this person one time, okay? You introduce yourself, they introduce themselves. You parted ways. Now, they happen to see you, maybe you're in Walmart or wherever you're at, and you see them coming and you can't remember their name. But they're coming along and they see you and they go, hey John, hey Jill, hey Meredith, and they call your name. And you are wowed. What is the feeling you feel? Oh my gosh, they remembered my name? This guy's amazing. I might want to be friends with this person. What just happened there? Well, they just said to you the sweetest sound in your world. What is the sweetest sound in your world? What is the sweetest sound to you? Well, the sweetest sound to you is the sound of your name. Your name is the sweetest sound to you. And if you will use this principle, which is using people's names and being able to recall people's names to memory quickly and use it casually in conversations with them, you will develop relationships with people and be able to get over some of these relationships humps that are especially prevalent in early relationships, especially when you meet the person first, second, and third time, because you don't have to go through all this damage and all this rigmarole and all the turbulence that you are feeling. You can bypass it by using a person's name because it allows you to move up in their thought, move up in where they think you are. And when you use a person's name, they're going to say, holy crud, this person remembered my name. This person thinks I'm valuable. This person took the time to do that. They're a special person. So I'm going to, whether they realize they're doing it or not, I'm going to open myself up to potentially move forward in a relationship with them. Now, this principle of using somebody's name will move you forward in the relationship with them at the onset of the relationship. But if you don't have character, it won't keep you there. You have to have right motives if you're going to use these principles. So I want you to take this principle, which is using people's names casually. What is the sweetest sound in any language to a person? Well, it's their name. So use the sweetest sound to that person casually and frequently, not awkwardly, but frequently, and see if it doesn't help you. Practice it. Go into your place of work, go into your school, and learn people's names when you're introduced to them, or you introduce yourself. Hi, I want to introduce myself. I've been meaning to meet you. My name is such and such. What's your name? And the second time you see them, you've taken the time maybe to scribble on a piece of paper and memorize their name. Of course, throw the piece of paper away. That'd be awkward if someone found it. Or you memorized it by connecting their name with someone else that's already named that, or there's some goofy thing about you that allows you to do some type of a name game to help you remember their name. And you see them coming and you say, hey, and you use their name. You have just moved light years ahead of where you would be if you didn't use their name. Take this principle of using people's names and apply it. Don't let your relationships be casual. Put effort into them and you will reap a reward. You will reap a reward of moving closer to people, and make sure your motives are right. Take the time to comment if you want to. If you're interested in something that I can help you with, let me know, and I'm happy to do a video for you. If you want to and you feel this information has helped you, please subscribe to Normal Guy Talk, and I thank you for your time. I hope you have a wonderful day. Push pause.